Wanna know how to fix your login error on your Zoom app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your Play Store or App Store. Then, tap on the Search for Apps and Games option on the top. Insert here Zoom. Check if your app is updated. You can see you'll get an option of update on the right next to the Zoom on plus of open if your app hasn't been updated yet. Tap on update and make sure that your app is updated. This could be the very first reason of you facing the login error. So updating your app will definitely help you fix your login error. The second one is to go to the settings of your phone, scroll down, tap on apps below battery and performance, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar on the top, insert here Zoom, search for this particular app. On the bottom you have 3 of the options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache below clear all data. Tap on OK. Just by doing it, you have successfully removed all of the unrequired chunks from the Zoom app, and your app is all fresh and healthy to use it back again. So this could be the second reason of you facing the login error, and removing all of the cache will definitely help you fix your login error. The very second one is to reinstall your app by uninstalling it just like this. Tap on uninstall. Now go back to Play Store and then tap on install next to Zoom and reinstall it once again. This could be the very third reason of you facing the login error, and this will definitely help. So I've just told you 3 of the ways to do it. I'm sure it will definitely work. So go back and try all of the 3 ways. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.